humans, I hope you're having a positive day. I am very excited. For one, we have 2 new family members. How cute! We adopted them from a rescue place. These poor babies were found on the side of the road. And this one's Suki, and this is Hazel. We might change them to Pippin and Mary. But anyways, yeah, these are them. Thought I'd show you real quick. And then I'll put them out in the living room so that way they can play and be kittens. Artie's been a sweetheart. She's definitely totally fine around them. She just has a little bit of like, what is that noise? You know, getting used to it. But the other reason I'm very excited is because we're finally tackling the bedroom for our apartment redesign. So after this, we only have the office and my bathroom left to do, possibly closet. The bed frame we had a lot of issues with taking it apart. So I really don't know if I'm going to be able to do that on my own. But I'll give you a before and after and we'll get started. This is the image you get when you first walk in the room. It's an odd angle, but we've got our king size bed here. I pulled out everything that we're going to need, I believe. And then we've got our 2 nightstands, and this is just typically how it kind of looks. I've got these half working Christmas lights because we love having ambient light. And then over here, I've been kind of acquiring everything that we're gonna need. And our TV is just on a coffee table Daniel had when he first moved into his Texas place. Basically have a dresser here, a dresser, some artwork. TV will go on top of the dresser because sometimes we do bring this into the living room to use it. We're gonna put curtains up. And then on this wall, it's just very plain and boring. We've got Daniel's bathroom, the closet, and the door into the main area. So I'm going to do a gallery wall right here. And we've got new bedding, and our headboard right now is literally just pushed up against the wall. It looks nice, at least having just the headboard there. And we do have adjustable bases. It's a split king. I think I'm going to get started with just clearing house.
No, let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberate it. Feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go. The sky is lit and it's gonna be a good night. What's mine is yours if it makes you feel alright. I wanna dance, I can feel it in my bones now. Feel the pull, oh, come on, let your body flow. So let's go. No hesitating. We gotta move, we gotta shake, we gotta get up on our feet and liberate it. You feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go. We gotta sing and we make no apologies for celebrating. Feel like something's out of control. Your mind says yes and your body says oh, let's go. Let's go, let's go.
Okay, got the bed done, got the nightstands done. Whew, Whew, honestly, that duvet cover, I don't recommend them. If you like that nice clean look, like hotel look, which is what I was going for with this bed, if you can find just a comforter, there you go, comforter that looks like, you know, smooth and hotel-like, so you don't have to do the duvet cover, I recommend it. And it's what we have, and it looks very nice, so I'm very happy with it. And the pillows look and feel great, so I'm hoping that Daniel likes those. They're like goose feather ones, so they feel like a hotel. I think Artie has, I don't know if you could see her, but I think she's definitely decided that she likes the new bed. I'm going to do the sconces first. That's what our light replacement is. So they're battery operated sconces, and I'm just gonna put them on the side here because the curtain will, you know, take away most of this. I was gonna do floating shelves here, which I would love to do, but since I'm doing the full length curtain, I won't be able to do that.
Think that you could change me, shape me, make me bulletproof, sway me, make me someone new, but baby, I'ma break it down for you. Yeah. No, you can't have me your way. Think I'm gonna stay the same. Over sentimental, little temperamental. Yeah, yeah. Think that you could change me, shape me, make me bulletproof, sway me, make me someone new, love me for me. And if you want, talk me down from a high to build yourself up. But no, it's not in my blood. Not gonna take your lies or stay between your lines. No, think that you could change me, shape me.
I clearly unconsciously decided that I was not doing this frame. It looks pretty good. I do still see the adjustable bases under here. It's not completely covered, but I think that we're good. It looks pretty good still without it. It would look amazing with it, but I know Daniel's already dreading it because it was just so frustrating. So let's just get the pictures and everything in there and handled, and then we'll put them up after the dresser because I want to make sure that they're fairly even on the sides here, and then do that whole side. I do have this planter that I bought. I thought that it was smaller, so I thought it would match the one we have in the kitchen, but it doesn't. It's actually very similar. It's just much bigger. So I think I'm going to use it somewhere, maybe here where we have some light, and get a nice tall tree like what we have in the living room. So these are the 3 frames for the pictures here. I'll probably just be doing 2 because of the TV. And then these are the square ones. We're going to do like a 3 by 3, I think it is, square kind of collage. And this is the actual pictures. I believe it's line art that's going to go on these big ones. So these are 8 by 8 with the white border picture, 8 by 8, or it's a 12 by 12. So these are 12 by 12. We're doing 3 by 3. So it's going to be a big square of 9 pictures. And I think I'm going to leave that white border. I think that'll be nice contrast. And then put pictures of us in there sometime. Right now, it's not the focus, but here is the line art that I got. A little bit more intimate, a little bit more romantic bedroom. So these will go inside these frames, and they're on canvas. So it's a couple kissing, a couple holding hands, and a couple holding each other.
Make me someone new, but baby, I'ma break it down for you. Yeah. No, you can't have me your way. Think I'm gonna stay the same. Over sentimental, little temperamental. Yeah, yeah. You can change me, shape me, make me bulletproof, sway me, make me someone new, love me for me. And if you want, Over sentimental, little temperamental. Yeah, yeah. Think that you can change me, shape me, make me bulletproof. Make me someone new. Love me for me. And if you want
Well, that shore is gorgeous. Love this, especially the trees. But that's temporary. If you can tell, it's a little bowed in the middle. This one is brand new. That one I brought from our old place. So I didn't have 2 hooks for this one. I don't know why. So I took the third one from this to hang this one up. And I'll have to look for a third one for some center support. But otherwise, that's looking fabulous. So I have to figure out how I'm going to make sure this is all leveled. So I brought in some tape, and I'm thinking I can tape 3 lines and then mark them where I want to put the holes, make sure it's leveled. Fingers crossed.
It's been a black velvet kind of night. This shit happens all the time. What's your name again? Now you my friend. I don't know where this all began. I just wanna know, can you take me home? Take me home. Yeah. It's been another lonely weekend. Oh, we're all just trying to get it in. I don't wanna know what you're doing tomorrow. I wanna know, can you take me home? Take me Let's walk the aisle. Let's get real bad. Let's forget everything we've ever had. Before tonight, you are mine, I'm your stranger. Tonight, you are mine, I'm your danger.
I think that I'm going to put this third one up here still because of how high I have the other 2. I think that would still be really nice. Good morning. It is the following day. Sleeping in the nice, clean, fresh bed felt so nice. I think the pillows made a world of difference to make it feel like a hotel bed. And honestly, having the room all put together now looks so much taller with the curtains, so much more open, and having the blinds open. It's really clean and feels really nice in here. But it was a lot of fun, and I'm really excited to enjoy the space and put in our pictures, make it a little bit more us, and add a little bit more green. I think just a throw blanket honestly is needed because the curtains have so much green in it that it's a really nice balance. So it feels very luxe and clean like a hotel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Let's show you the before and afters, but otherwise I will see you guys soon and stay positive.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer.
If I was able to switch over, like easily move our bed and have the office in here, I totally would, because originally we didn't know that the 3 windows wouldn't be in the office as well, but the adjustable bases are very heavy. Everything in here is very heavy, but it is just so pretty. I can't get over how nice this feels. It would be great to just like work in here all the time. Ah, I love it. Like, look at the difference between in here and in here. The sun rises over this way, so you get a lot of that light in here. And then when the sun sets over here, we actually don't get any direct light.